my guy D just hit it right quick. I was gonna spit a couple bars for you niggas who out there who think y'all can rap. Here goes some hot shit for y'all, man. Just check this out. Hold on. I gotta find the right beat to it. Oh shit, this hot. Here you go, right here, y'all. Let's go. Okay, KID, man. Come on, listen. Yo, forget a beat. All I need is a pen in the pad. I'm spitting diarrhea lyrics. Straight shit, no facts. Don't get mad, cause your boy enjoying this wealth. Talking beef with bullets and the guns speak for theyself. Matter of fact, I'm in peace with myself. But if you want trouble, pistol in the reach of my belt. Don't get it twisted, I'm a kid, but I don't play games. Can't I murder the game? Then retire like a throwback name. These haters been really thinking lately. How your boy stay protected with a gun that ain't got no safety? Rappers is guaranteed to run, cause my tongue spit nothing but cold rounds like freezer's gun. You niggas about soft as it gets, I got a colorful piece. Gays can hear when the rainbow click. 16 and I'm stacking my bucks. Treat the game like safe sex, I'm selling it and wrapping it up. I'm known for getting money, if my cake up I cop shit. Iced out nigga, my clock can even watch this. Since you wanna act like you's a murderer and pop shit, I'ma send the goons to your door like a mob hit. Don't even think about getting beastie and violent, they coming with the goods. When it's cocky, drop it. I'm a hot boy, so it's your bows that I'm rocking. Go to school, fresh fitted, with some rocks and some rockets. Stop reaching for money, it's not in your pocket. I can reach down and pull a knot on my pocket. The hustler, I'll front you some, but if you talking, line your ass up like a blunt or something. Catch a thick wet ass, I'm rubbing that holder cake and keep my hoes in line like roller skates. All my bitches inclined, so I never fail. Keep the coochie online like AOL. Pouring home bars, man. No way it's a rap, man, dog. I'm giving y'all too much free crack, dog. But check this out, man. We finna go to this party scene, man. Holla at my boy D. Stay tuned, man. Peace out. Deuces.